Imagine a home where every detail invites the beauty of the outdoors inside, blending the warmth of nature with the comfort of modern living. Where organic textures, soothing colors, and sustainable materials create a peaceful sanctuary, harmoniously connected with the world around you. In this video, we are exploring stunning home interiors that embrace the elements of nature, transforming everyday spaces into a tranquil retreat.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
Modern architecture increasingly emphasizes a connection with nature, integrating the natural world into home design. This approach aims to craft living spaces that harmonize with their surroundings, embracing natural light, fresh air, sweeping vistas, and the soothing sounds of the outdoors. Incorporating natural elements into home decor is more than a popular trend. It offers significant advantages for health and well-being. Transforming living spaces with touches of nature fosters a refreshing and calming atmosphere, grounding us to the earth and bringing its beauty into the heart of our homes. Enhancing mental well-being is a key advantage of introducing natural elements into home decor. The presence of greenery and other natural features helps lower stress, elevate mood, and boost creativity. Furthermore, plants play a vital role in purifying indoor air by removing toxins and releasing oxygen, greatly enhancing air quality within the home. Architects are finding various innovative methods to strengthen the bond between homes and the natural world, such as Number 1 is bioclimatic. Bioclimatic design focuses on enhancing energy efficiency and reducing environmental impact by integrating features like natural materials, strategic building orientation, and optimal use of natural ventilation. Number 2 is incorporating elements like sunlight, water features, greenery, and stone into home design fosters a sustainable and health-focused living space. Now is number 3 about open space. Designing open seamless spaces like patios, terraces, balconies, and interior gardens allows the home to blend effortlessly with its natural surroundings. Number 4 is expansive window. Expansive windows invite natural light and outdoor vistas into the home, fostering a sense of harmony with the surrounding environment. In summary, modern architecture embraces the trend of harmonizing homes with nature to promote sustainability and healthier living. By integrating natural features, employing bioclimatic design strategies, crafting open layouts, and optimizing access to sunlight and outdoor views, architects create spaces that seamlessly blend with their surroundings. This time we will present ideas on how to transform the rooms in your home to make them fresher with a natural vibe. For a living room. The living room, where we often spend the most time, should evoke a sense of relaxation and balance. A simple yet effective way to bring nature indoors is by incorporating plants of various sizes and types. From tiny succulents to towering palm trees, adding greenery creates a calming atmosphere. For kitchen. Decorating the kitchen with natural elements can be tricky due to its frequent use and exposure to food and water. However, there are still effective ways to introduce nature into the space. Consider placing aromatic herbs in hanging pots by the window, making them easily accessible while cooking. Alternatively, fresh fruits or vegetables can serve as a vibrant and temporary centerpiece, adding a touch of nature to the room. For bedroom. To create a natural ambience in the bedroom, opt for bedding and curtains crafted from eco-friendly materials like cotton or linen. These fabrics not only promote sustainability, but also bring a light, refreshing vibe to the room. Enhance the serene atmosphere further by adorning the walls with photos or artwork depicting natural landscapes, contributing to a peaceful, calming environment. Now for bathroom. The bathroom offers the perfect opportunity to incorporate natural elements, given its connection to cleanliness and purity. Consider adding hanging potted plants from the ceiling or using wicker baskets to store towels, enhancing the organic vibe. For a more nature-inspired touch, choose wooden fixtures over plastic or metal, helping to create a calming, earthy atmosphere.